Hi student, in today's session I am going to discuss excellent trick to heterocyclic compound and then some questions and relevant answers. Okay, now I am started this session. First of all, I ask some questions to heterocyclic compound. After I am discussed two and relevant answers. First, we see the three questions are there. What is heterocyclic compound? Next, classification of heterocyclic compound. Next, write uses of heterocyclic compound. First question is, what is heterocyclic compound, and then definition and answer. So, most of seeing the heterocyclic compound cyclic structure is depending on the carbon atoms in the ring structure. Okay. If the ring system is made up of carbon atom, every ring system is also made up into carbon atom, and at least one other element, carbon atoms to at least one other element, the compound can be classified heterocyclic. Then the element that are found most commonly together with carbon in a ring system are nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. For example, reactions of, you take benzene ring and react with X equal nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. Any one atom is replaced to carbon atom. So answer is, to give the product is heterocyclic compound. So X means nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. Okay. The first question is over. We will see next questions of classifications of heterocyclic compound. So classified in every organic chemistry in topic is classified into two types only, 5-membered and 6-membered ring. But I'll see into 5 types of heterocyclic compound. So classification, 5 types of heterocyclic compound. So what are there? 3-member ring, 4-member ring, 5-member ring, 6-member ring, and 7 or more member ring in presence of heterocyclic compound. Now I am going to example of the classification further types. First of all, we say 3-member ring. First, aziridine. So you have to already know that propane. So propane to carbon, exchanging to carbon for another element of nitrogen. So name is aziridine. And 4-member ring is butane. So acetidine, 6 carbon and another element of nitrogen is presence of, so acidine. Next one, 5-member ring. So you want to numbering to carbon atoms. So for example, ferrol is the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is called 5-member ring. If taking, and another one, carbon atom is replaced to nitrogen atom. That is called ferrol. Next, 6-member ring. So next 6-member ring is called a pridine. Pridine also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's called the pridine. Is 6-member ring. And 7 or more ring is a acipines. Name is acipines. So nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 or more rings member ring is present in the 7-member ring. So when I'm going to discuss more than time is a 7-member ring, one numbering is giving to that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is called 7-member ring. As name is acipines. Next, oxirine. Same as it is some another example, 3-member ring, oxirine. So another name is ethylene oxide. So in replace to oxygen, already I am told you, carbon replaced to nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. Nitrogen is a carbon is replaced to nitrogen or oxygen and sulfur. So oxide. why you say oxane is oxygen compound is present, so oxirane. Another name oxetane, another is furan, another is piperidine, another one oxypines. Is not able to oxygen, and 6 member is not able to oxygen and thiosulfate. Next examples we go to thyrane. Thyrane is episulfide, is 3 member ring, so presence of sulfur, and diethane is yes, and diaphene is yes, and quinoline or isoquinoline is 6 member ring, presence of the one more ring present in the nitrogen, and again on the other place is the presence of nitrogen compound. So nitrogen is strong base, is presence above. Pyridine is a strong base comparing to ferrol. Next 7 member ring thiophene. So also is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is presence carbon atom. So 7 carbon atoms, 1 carbon atom replaced to sulfur, is presence of sulfur. That is called classification. So most important classifications for particularly BSc student in 3rd year. Next, uses of heterocyclic compound. Only using to aromatic system, and it was using natural product contain some product is natural product is containing some medical properties and pharmaceutical agrochemicals. So what are using from this above heterocyclic compound, and the main building blocks of electronic, mechanical, biological. Okay, today I am discussing overall review of the topic. Now I am taking heterocyclic compound. So I am asking some questions. What is heterocyclic compound? Classification of heterocyclic compound. Right uses of heterocyclic compound. So questions. What is heterocyclic compound? In this question, in this system, one carbon atom replaced to another element such as nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. And a classification in classified into 5 types: 6, 3 member, 4 member, 5 member, 6 members, 7 or more members. And uses. So the use is important of this mechanical, electronical, biological. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my classes. Thank you.